Ever wondered about moments that completely flip the script in courtrooms? A place where you'd expect convicts to be on their best behavior, but they end up doing the most unthinkable thing. In the world of courtrooms and justice, there are occasions when things take an unexpected turn. Imagine a scene where those facing sentencing react in ways that defy the norm, resorting to violence against the judges deciding their fate. Today, we're exploring these moments captured on camera, showing the top 5 craziest instances when convicts made chaos in court by attacking judges during their sentencing. Judge Mary Kay Holton in trouble. In a Las Vegas courtroom, a man named Deobra Redden was being sentenced for attempting to hurt someone badly, but things turned violent when he suddenly attacked Judge Mary Kay Holton. Redden started yelling and ran at the judge. He jumped over the judge's bench and pulled her to the ground. Other people in the courtroom tried to stop him, and one person even hit Redden to try to make him stop. The judge got minor injuries, and a court officer got hurt pretty badly too.
In accordance with the laws of the state of Nevada, this court...
People at the courthouse, including the police, helped stop Redden. They're working to make sure the court stays safe for everyone. Before the attack, the judge didn't want to let Redden off easily because of his past. Redden had been in trouble before for some serious things like trying to steal, hurting someone badly, and domestic violence. He also had a few smaller run-ins with the law. Now, because of this attack, Redden faces even more charges and is being held in jail while the legal process continues. Fact 2. This 21-year-old is in trouble. The most recent incident was when 21-year-old Jordan Rhodes did the unthinkable. The video shows how things can go wrong in the legal system, especially for someone dealing with addiction. He got in trouble initially for damaging property, which is a common type of charge. It wouldn't have been such a big issue because Rhodes struggled with addiction but didn't have a history of violent crimes. However, things got out of hand due to his rash actions. During his court appearances for breaking probation rules, things took a wrong turn. Judge Kathleen Corden gave him a 1-year jail sentence. But when he got angry and mouthed off at the judge, his sentence got longer by 90 days. Things didn't end there. He started throwing chairs in the courtroom and even attacked the judge, putting people at risk. Luckily, no one got seriously hurt, but it could have been worse. Later, while in jail, Rhodes didn't calm down. He kicked part of his cell door and threw metal rods at the jail staff. This behavior got him in more trouble and back to court. His actions show how tough it can be for people dealing with addiction in the legal system. It's a reminder of the need for better support and help for those struggling with addiction. 3. State of Washington versus Christopher Teal. This video takes us to a courtroom in King County, Seattle, where the case of the state of Washington versus Christopher Teal is being heard. Christopher Teal faces severe charges of first-degree rape and unlawful imprisonment. Allegedly, he followed a woman into a car dealership bathroom, locked the door, and assaulted her. Employees intervened, stopping the assault by subduing Teal. During a competency hearing to determine if he's fit for trial, Teal, standing next to his court-appointed attorney Reed Birkland, unexpectedly lashes out.
That they are now stipulating that Mr. Teal...
Despite the guards removing Teal's handcuffs, he suddenly punches his own attorney without any apparent reason. The guards swiftly tackle Teal to the ground as chaos erupts in the courtroom. Though his attorney seems unharmed, it takes multiple guards to restrain the 6'3" defendant. Teal continues to resist, demanding a chair, and eventually, he's escorted back to jail with a spit hood over his head. Birkland, the attorney, opted not to press charges but withdrew from the case due to the incident. Nearly 2 weeks later, Teal returns to court strapped to a rolling chair, expressing concerns about his appearance in his mugshot. He questions the source of the photo and raises doubts about whether authorities accessed it from social media platforms. The judge schedules another hearing and the trial has yet to commence, leaving the legal process in a state of delay and uncertainty. Teal's unpredictable behavior and concerns over his mugshot showcase the complexities and challenges in this case, where legal proceedings are hindered by unexpected incidents. and the defendant's weird conduct. 4. Miss Hardwick is hard to handle. In a courtroom, the judge announced to Miss Hardwick that she would be held in contempt of court due to her disruptive behavior during the proceedings. However, before the judge could finish the announcement, the unexpected happened. The defendant suddenly leapt over the fence separating them, aiming to attack the judge.
You will serve 10 days for contempt of court. You go now.
But what's interesting is that these people do not realize that this drastic action of physically assaulting the judge could lead to severe consequences for the defendant. In addition to the existing charges against them, this aggressive behavior towards the judge might result in a series of serious penalties. Assaulting a judge or any courtroom official is considered a grave offense and could lead to additional charges such as assault, aggravated assault, or battery on a judge, all of which carry harsh legal repercussions. These charges could result in an extension of their current sentence or possibly even more severe punishment due to the aggravated nature of the new offense. Moreover, attempting to attack a judge in a courtroom can be considered a direct affront to the justice system itself, leading to heightened legal consequences and a more stringent approach from the court in administering punishment. Now, let's move on to the next video. 5. Threatening the judge. Mr. Rhodes was in court for serious charges, including assault, minor injury, and making threats. The judge informed him that he was being charged with these offenses and set a bond of $15,000, which had to be paid in full cash. Not
Rhodes,
just that, the judge also mentioned that another case might be dismissed if the charges overlapped. During the court proceedings, Mr. Rhodes seemed to be interrupting and not cooperating. The judge offered him a public defender, but Mr. Rhodes didn't seem interested or was not fully responding to the questions. He was low-key, threatening the judge.
Do you have any questions? Would you like appointment of a public defender?
Not guilty.
I just said that.
Not guilty.
I just said that.
I'll be out.
Okay, I just said that.
Alright.
And would you like an attorney?
Take me back to my cell.
The judge warned him that his behavior could have consequences and that it might be considered a threat against the court. The judge then asked for the paperwork to be served to Mr. Rhodes and wished him luck. You can clearly see that Mr. Rhodes seemed uncooperative and possibly made remarks that were concerning to the judge, prompting a warning about his behavior during the court session. Convicts attacking the judges is not a new thing. Over the years, there have been several cases when the judge's security was compromised. However, in recent years, these cases have only increased, which has led to strict rules for security in the courtroom. For now, this is all for today. What do you think about this video? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next one.